Hello and welcome to lesson number 10. We have moved fast this semester, and lesson number 10 finds ourselves finishing the clean book, and hopefully everyone is finishing up Beautiful Boy 2, since the book review will be due in coming weeks. In this lesson, again, as I mentioned, we will finish up clean and read the final few chapters and segments of the book, and be moving into a more controversial topic and asking the question, is addiction really a disease? Thus far in the semester, we have assumed and reviewed literature that says yes, addiction is a disease, and that is generally the held belief in most of the in most of the field and in the academic community. Although there is a small group of individuals, professionals in the field, researchers and media pundits, so to speak, that believe addiction is not a disease, that drug use is a primary choice, that treatment is still necessary and still works, but when we encourage clients to participate in the AA setting, self-help groups, and use the traditional treatment process, we are victimizing the clients, their families, and profiting off their misery. And we will be looking at 6 videos from a gentleman named Dr. Stanton Peele, who is leading this charge of criticizing the field in and of itself. And honestly, he does have some pretty good points sometimes, and sometimes I have to question some of those beliefs being voiced. He cites a significant amount of research and studies that on the surface supports the idea that addiction may not be a disease, but the general consensus professionally, academically, and with families is, and in the medical community certainly, is that addiction is a disease. So the goal for this lesson is to ask the question, if addiction is not a disease, what is it? And look at the material being presented in the field today that says addiction is not a disease. My students really enjoy this lesson. It puts into question everything we've talked about thus far. I look forward to hearing from you, and take care.